Well done indeed. And thank you for getting us started off tonight. Aint From Here in the house. My name is Goldie. If I bring it down real quickly to, let's say, Braden. That's our guy right there in the center. Braden, I'll tell you what, will you just do me a favor? Will you introduce all your fine band members with you right now?
All right. So to the right over here, we got Jeremy Smith out of Sherman, Texas. He's actually one of the main founding members of the band. And to my left over here, we got Mr. Daniel Powes, Doobie Dan on bass there.
Doobie Dan, all right.
He's out of Chicago, Illinois.
Smoketown, USA.
We got trusty Phil Brusty back here on the pedal steel. He's out of Bemidji, Minnesota. And then all the way back here on the drums, we got Brett Ross out of Stillwater, New Jersey.
Yeah, boys. Well, welcome on in. And, speaking of welcoming people in, we want to welcome everybody who is online right now. It is actually, guys, I think you're going to be pretty stoked right now. The numbers are up. Like, people are watching. Yeah. Like, literally, like it's a Super Bowl or something like that. Yeah. So this is working out really quite nice. All right, ladies and gents of the internet, I think we got 2 songs to move forward to. So why don't we get after it with Aint From Here, right here at Live at the BeeHive.
Right on. This one's called Any Direction. We haven't released this on an album yet, but it's probably coming soon.
Last night out of his eyes. He rolls over to find her gone, but it ain't no surprise. She's told him once or 1,000 times how every night she cries. She's tired of him being gone and so tired of all his lies. She's wasted too much breath and she's got nothing more to say. He just can't help feeling like that feeling's gone away. He knows he's gonna miss her, but he knows he'll be okay. He's just a lonely cowboy riding east into the day. Coffee and he lights a cigarette. He checks his phone to see if maybe she has called him yet. He tells himself that she'll come back, but he won't make a bet. That girl's so unpredictable when she gets this upset. So he snaps up his shirt and pulls his boots onto his feet, saddles up his horse and climbs on up into the sea. He's headed out to find some ends and try to make them meet. He's just a lonely cowboy riding south into the heat. His fingers to the bone. He fights the urge to keep on looking at his silent phone. He thinks she might be gone for good and he'll be all alone, but he's got precious little time for an aching heart of stone. The mysteries of why she left and the things he'll never know. All those little things he did that made her wanna go. When a man has seen all he can see and the wicked wind starts to blow, he's just a lonely cowboy riding north into the snow. When a man has done all he can do and he's given up the fight, he's just a lonely cowboy riding west into the night.